Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing my new on-camera monitor. I decided to go with this Feelworld F6 Plus. This is a 4K 5.5-inch touch screen monitor. So here are some of the features. The main one for me that I bought it for is the false color, so hopefully that will work well. There's the back of it. I'll just show you the sides. Not much there. And on that one, what have we got? Just a few other specs. And did I show you the back? Can't remember now. I'm turning this round and round. So let's take this out of the packet and we'll have a look. I've never had an on-screen monitor before, so this is a new experience for me. Oh, it comes in a little box. I'll show you that too. Well, that's pretty good. So you could store it away, I guess, in this, if you need to. Ooh, nicely wrapped. Should we go through the... I'll go through the bits as they come out. So this looks like the little... what do you call it? You know, the little protector that if you put on if you're around in the sun, I think, so that you can see it a little bit more. If it's too shiny, too bright. What else have we got here? Some warranty card, is it? I think. And then the monitor. Let's see. Oh, it's smallish. Huh. Let's have a look. I'll get out of the way. She's not very exciting, but there's the touch buttons. And we'll have a look at these ports. Maybe I'll just spin it right round. So it looks like there's mounting pins on each side as well, which is good. And down here, I believe they've got the two, I've got some fly here. They've got two different, I think you can put the Sony batteries and the Canon ones on here, so that's good. That is much bigger than my current monitor, which is cool. Let's just continue through the box there. So, oh my goodness, what is happening? Instructions. Let's have a look. So I'll go through these in a minute, and then I'll come back to the video once I know what I'm doing. I'll just go through this first. And what have we got? A whole lot of bits and pieces. Okay, that's the box there. And in here we have, oh right, yeah. So that must be the thing that the shield sticks to and mounts on. Plastic, bendable. And what have we got? Oh, that's the arm. I'll show you this once it's all set up as well. But that's the arm that it mounts on, it looks like. So yeah, and that will go on the side. And that's the cable. So let's take that out too, just to show you. What have we got? HDMI to mini, I think it is, isn't it? I always get these mixed up. I think they're mini or micro, whatever it is. There they are. So what I'll do now is, as always, read through the instructions, have a little try of the monitor, and then come back with the second half of the video, just showing you the features, how it looks on the camera and what it does, etc. So see you soon. All right, so I've got it set up here on the Fuji X-T3. I'll just give you a little spin around so you can see. I'm not using a battery. I've decided to use the USB-C port that comes with it. I believe that only the newer versions of this particular monitor have that, so just be careful when you're buying it. I'll put a link below to the one with it, hopefully. And yeah, so also what I wanted to show you was that this can swivel and it mirrors itself as it goes, so you don't have to press any button for it to flip. It just flips automatically. And that screw doesn't get affected when you're moving it. What I might do now is just take it down to the floor or something and show you, just run through the different menus, and so that you can see what it can do. All right, so I might start off by taking this protector off, and then I'll show you there's a touch function. You can turn that on and off by this button here. So long hold to turn it on and off the actual monitor, and just quick tap to turn it on and off. It just says there, so that's on now. If we double click there, it brings up the menu, click out of it, and if you swipe, it brings out the short sort of quick menu, and you've got lots of different options there to turn things on and off. Swipe down to tap to get rid of it, still learning. If we, the screen's divided into two, so if you just slide up, that's your brightness, and on this side it's your volume, you see going there. And if we double tap again there, we can, I'll show you quickly through the menus. So there's that one, then we've got this one, and that one, and there's that one. Does that scroll? Yeah, that scrolls a little bit, and we've got settings there. So they're your sort of options, and you can also, rather than touch, you can do the scroll wheel. And I think we've covered most of it. If I've left anything out, just let me know in the comments and I can answer your questions. I might just quickly show you this booklet as well, just some of the features, and I'll move this back slightly, sorry about the wibble wobble, and just show you, let me just get the focus right. I'll just show you, oh, that's turned off because the camera's on not recording. I'll just show you the lag time, so I'll move my hand there and hopefully you can see it's pretty good. So you can see one to the other, and I will move even further back and just show you a couple of the things from the menu there, in case menu from the yes, the menu, the monitor menu. What I'm trying to say is this booklet. So I'm doing 100 things at once. So they're your features. Let me just get this focus point right. And what else have we got? We've covered the back, all the ports. You've power supply, so going via the USB, as I said. They're your mounting points, so I've turned that now, but yeah, there's a couple there, and your bracket. Oh, the sunshade I didn't show you. I'll show you that in a second. What else did we not cover? So I've covered the menus, and here's your sort of stats for anyone that wants to know exactly what parameters this monitor has. And there's another page of them, and one more. So sometimes it's good to isn't refocusing. What is happening? Okay, and that's the end. So let me show you that shade now just quickly. Actually, I should probably move back slightly. Sorry, this is a little bit wobbly, but yeah, so this bit just goes on to, basically it's got these little grooves here, and on that side as well. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. Let me just turn up the brightness. So yeah, they just fit on to the top there where there's little grooves. And then once you've got that on, you then put the shade on top. So it just sort of velcros on. I don't know if you can see that in the reflection there, but yeah, it's hunting, there we go. So it's like a velcro-y material, and it just yeah, just sticks on like that. Let me just move it up, and then you've got your shade if you need from the sun. So it's pretty good. Yeah, that's it for the demo, I think. All right, that brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me. If I've missed anything, just let me know in the comments, and if you've got any questions, leave them down there as well, and I'll leave the links for the monitor and my gear in the video description. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.